This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Trace the path that leads me to the acorn. Okay, so I need to step forward. Okay, and it's giving us numbers, meaning, hey, you're probably going to need 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these. And we right now have 2 out of 6 blocks on the screen. So move forward. If I need another move forward, then boom, and then maybe a turn right. And let's go ahead and test. The great thing about code, you can run it a billion times. Whoa, what happened there? I missed it. So let's use step. Step is great for debugging. I'm going to click step. Okay, and so this line of code runs good. Now this, oh, that tile must have broke. Got it, because it was cracked. So instead of doing this, let's go ahead and go right now and then move forward. And like I said, I'm going to run it because you can run it a ton. It's better to find problems early rather than when you have a billion lines of code. All right, and then which way do I want to turn? I think I want to go left and forward. Well, let's see here. Yep. Do I have any extras? No. Do I have 6 out of 6? Now let's see if it actually works. Oh, awesome! We did it! Let's keep going.